T10 Parameter Settings. Click Print Settings. Click Print Direction. Optional top-bottom printing or reverse printing. Round-trip printing selection turned off. Click to start signal. Sensors, distance setting, timing, and automatic printing don't need to be turned on. You can contact an engineer if you run into any special situations. Continuous printing interval refers to the interval between two printings. Print delay: the larger the value, the slower the printing speed. The smaller the value, the faster the printing speed. Sensor settings: signal inversion does not need to be enabled. Can be adjusted according to product printing. Synchronous mode: the encoder needs to be turned on. Encoder frequency division: the larger the value, the wider the effect. The smaller the value, the narrower the effect. The printing speed does not need to be adjusted by default. Synchronous multiplication frequency: the characters are deformed, stretched, adjusted, and made neat. DPI default 300 × 300. Nozzle settings: nozzles can be switched left and right. Voltage when using quick dry ink cartridges: maximum no more than 9.3 volts, minimum no less than 9.0 volts. Pulse width setting: maximum no more than 2.3 us, minimum no less than 2.0 us. Ink cartridge concentration: you can choose normal or bold. Can be bolded up to 9 times. Other settings: you can choose to turn the printing sound on or off. When the screen refreshes, the device will sync the real-time clock. The gapless printing mode does not need to be turned on. Number of prints: can set a fixed number of prints. Stop after reaching the set value. The total count: can calculate the total number of prints. Spray setting does not need to be turned on. Click System Settings. Time settings: multiple calendars can be chosen, and time needed for adjustment. File management: you can view saved files. Sensor detection: can detect whether the encoder is operating normally. System information: can check system updates and version information. System settings: you can choose to turn the sound on or off. Restore factory settings: don't choose unless necessary. Touchscreen calibration: can calibrate when the screen is unresponsive. Auto screen off: you can choose the auto screen off duration. User management: you can choose to add an admin. Other settings: language selection allows you to choose from multiple languages. Text input formats: multiple options available, generally standard. Bluetooth: can connect to mobile devices such as phones. Return data: can choose to return the file count or the total count.